There's one more method to find the square of a number, but that is particularly valid for only a 2-digit number. Of course, it can be used for 3-digit number also, but then it becomes more and more complex, so we try to avoid that. But it's interesting to learn the 2-digit number square. Okay, let us find the square of, say, a number 25. So we write as 25 square, and we know the answer as 625. And let us try to find out the method, how it is done. So basically it is said that it's a very old Indian method. Okay, now if you know the identity a plus b the whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, isn't it? But here what we will do, just to play with it, that nothing more than that, we will take this number 25 and take this 2 as a and 5 as b. Okay, and then we will have a small column. We can have all these three terms written here, a square, 2ab and b square. But the most important thing is it has to be written in this order. Even though we know very well that a plus b whole square, you can even write the b square before 2ab, isn't it? We remember that way also, a square plus b square plus 2ab. That is one way of remembering this as an identity. But to find the square, this is the order it is written. If you just change the order, the answer does not come exactly what we want. We know very well that the answer is 625. So if you just change the order as b square and then put a square in the end, identity wise it is okay, but to play with these numbers and get the square of that number, it does not work at all. So, and also it is okay to play with only a 2-digit number. Let us not try for 3 or 4 digits, it becomes little more complicated. So we avoid, then in which case we use only the diagonal method, which is the easiest of all methods, isn't it? So let us do that. So just we will do one thing, we will start from this b square. And we know what is b square, we know what is b to start with, isn't it? So 5 square, which is 25. Having written 25, we will just take the unit place 5 here and keep the 2 as it is. Let us find 2ab first. So 2 into what is a? 2 into 5. So 2 2s are 4 into 5, 20. I write the 20 here, and this 2 which has been left here should be added to this, and I get 22. Okay, let me write the 22 here itself, and then out of the 22, this unit place 2 will come here. The tens place 2 is kept as it is. We will come to this and then take it there. Now what is a square? A has been taken as 2. So 2 square, which is 4, and then this 2 which was lying here, we bring it here, add it, we get 6. So the number is 625, which is what the answer is. So it's just a nice game to play with. Another 2-digit number perhaps we can try if we know the answer already. That way we can check, or we'll once again check it, that is not the problem. Okay. So let me take it this way. Maybe I need a little bigger box. So what number do you think we should take? Something small, 2-digit. Okay. So we have to first find the answer, isn't it? So let us take, say, 64. So 64 square, obviously we may not remember, so let us try to find out. 4 4s are 16, 6 4s are 24 plus 1, 25. Then 6 4s are 24, 2, 6 6 are 36 plus 2, 38. Then you get 6, 9, here 10 and 4096, which is 64 square, isn't it? So let us try the same method here. If I write here a 64 square is what I have to find, then this becomes a and this becomes b. So your a is 6 and b is 4. So let us do that in the same order, a square, 2ab and b square, and we start doing the entire thing starting from the b square and then come to this side. Okay. So what is b square? B is nothing but 4, isn't it? So 4 square, which is 16. Out of the 16, I will take the 6, which is what I will be needing. This 1 I am keeping it here so that I can bring it to this side. Okay. Now what is 2ab? 2 into 6 into 4. 6 4s are 24 into 2, 48. And of course this 1 will come here, which was in the tens place. It has to come here and get added. You get 49. I will bring the 9, which is what I need, the units place. The 4 is going to remain here. It will be added to this a square. Now what is a square? 6 square, which is 36, 6 square, so which is 36, and then this 4 which is here, I will add up, bring it as 6 plus 4, 10, 4. Since nothing has to be done anything more, so in this order 4096. So the answer is 4096, but we had already multiplied and got the answer as 4096. So just a simple game to play with. Since it is only having a 2-digit number, all the 2-digit numbers ranging right from 10 up to 99, we can find it if you need it the answer real fast. I don't know how fast it is, but okay, it's a nice thing to play with. Okay, so a square, 2ab and b square, those in that order you have to write. Do not change the order. Just look at this. Even though a plus b whole square is this identity, if only I had just changed the order, I am sure the answer will be totally wrong, isn't it? So remember the order and just try to find the answer using this method, which is known as column method, and this is basically used for 2-digit numbers.